This is called Kool-Aid in a bowl. It's me and Amber's comfort.
It's better than a bird on your shoulder.
Dang! She's gonna drown in that stuff.
Big bird. I can't hang on. Sipping on some scissors. Stay out my Kool-Aid. You don't know my flavor? I'm mystery flavor, biatch.
I dropped the camera. It's better than when I dropped it in the Kool-Aid.
My life is brilliant.
My life is pure.
My love is pure. Get it straight.
My love's pure.
Oh my god, I'm on MySpace now, and I used to have Xanga, and I used to think that Xanga is better than MySpace, and I got on MySpace, and now MySpace is better. I might go to my Xanga. I'm gonna read what I wrote.
I made her my Xanga or whatever, and I check it like every once in a while, but only like 1 or 2 people wrote to me.